I can have a birthday party this year. I was over the moon when my mom told me that. How wonderful, I can celebrate my 10th birthday with my friends. Will you be free next Saturday afternoon? I'll also invite a few neighbors. My uncle is a chef at an Italian restaurant in New York. He makes very tasty food. His signature dish is ham and pineapple pizza. When I went to visit him last summer, I ate plenty of it. Just thinking about it makes my mouth water. So there'll be plenty of homemade food and great games too. Hope you can join